Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a building construction quotation. First, thoroughly understand the project's scope and client requirements. Next, itemize all materials, labor, and equipment. Remember to include overhead costs, typically 15 to 20% of direct costs, and a reasonable profit margin, often 10 to 15%. This foundational step ensures a comprehensive and competitive offer for your client. Accurate cost estimation is crucial. Calculate material quantities precisely, often down to the last cubic yard of concrete or square foot of flooring. Estimate labor hours for each task, considering an average of 8 hours per day per worker, and apply current hourly rates. Always obtain at least 3 quotes from subcontractors and suppliers to ensure competitive and accurate pricing for your project. Structure your quotation clearly. List all items with detailed descriptions, quantities, and unit prices, ensuring transparency. Specify payment terms, such as a 30% upfront deposit and progress payments, along with the project timeline. Clearly state the quotation's validity period, typically 30 to 60 days. Include clauses for unforeseen conditions and potential scope changes to protect both parties. Before submission, meticulously double-check all calculations and figures for any errors. Even a small mistake can be costly. Present the quotation professionally, using clear, concise language and a well-organized format. Finally, be prepared to discuss and negotiate terms with your client, addressing any questions or concerns they may have to reach a mutually beneficial agreement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.